back to my channel. So we just arrived into Negril. Everybody say hi.
Hey, what's up?
We just made it to the grill at Royalton, and we're gonna see what they have. We're early. Check-in is at 3. So yeah, guys. So I'm gonna recap as to when I'm driving down to Negril. This is my outfit. I'm gonna recap.
Talk your shit.
We're not none of us talk.
But y'all, you know the view them.
Yeah, because right this alright, but wanna reach like
Ochi.
yeah. But not Ochi the dung this up.
Oh.
Dung this up.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise. Yeah. And all the girls around the world, they wanna be her. And all the dudes are trying to score like it's fever. She lives a double life, puts on a show. What's under the subtle smile, we'll never know. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her.
Let me paint a picture. I see they don't understand. Feeling like Picasso. She brushing against my hands. Seen you from around the way. You didn't give me the time of day. You be making moves that year. Who really care what Simon say? All the bad things, girl, I had to look past that. Call yourself a dime, I'm just trying to get my cash back. You be looking fine, so no wonder they can match that. Louis V scarf, or I'm chilling with a dad hat. Whoa, slow it down like that. Just hold me down like that. Yeah.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty.
You checking in all of us? I guess.
Libre de mirarte en los ojos, libre de quererte más. Yo no sé cómo tú te llamas. Estaba mirándote.
Oh snap! Yeah. Okay.
one day I will come with speed again the driver's license. To try tight enough down the lane and say
Es my baby, tiempo de perder, no está jugando. Yo no voy a verte sembrar fuerte. Tengo que saber si tú eres my baby. Tiempo.
How far, Auntie? You like it? Right here. So welcome to my house.
This is a really nice house. I
Thank
love
you.
it. The architectural work is
Thank
amazing.
you. Thank you. Yeah, you know, it took me like 10 years, but we got it done.
it's not the bread pudding?
It's not sweet, right?
No.
Okay, good. Come and can do the.
I'm becoming her, yeah, because I'm gonna eat something first. My head hurt me. Coffee.
Siento libre, libre de mirarte en los ojos, libre de quererte más. Yo me siento libre, libre de mirarte en los ojos, libre de quererte más. Yo no sé cómo tú te llamas, estaba mirándote, me soy enamorada. He puesto mucho tiempo en mi cuerpo, mi mente sana. He puesto todo en mí, en mi baby, cooperado. He puesto mucho tiempo en mi cuerpo, mi mente sana. He puesto todo en mí, en mi baby, cooperado. Mi canción favorita, siente tu calor, tú me haces loco. Somos aquí toda la noche, aquí toda la noche. Yo no voy a verte sembrar fuerte. Tengo que saber si tú eres my baby. Tiempo de perder.
Hey guys, so we just got in our room and I'm going to give you guys a room tour. I'm not gonna split it up and do no long thing again. And I have to tell you guys what happened into check-in because that was crazy, okay? But the room is beautiful, so I'm gonna show you guys. So guys, we got to the hotel like 2 o'clock. And then we checked in and everything, but we asked to change rooms so that we could all stay with each other. Well, close to each other. So they told us sure. Then we spoke to the supervisor. The supervisor said they called and they're gonna clean the room and they're gonna let us know when it's done. So we got hungry. This was like 2 something. We left, got something to eat, and we got back around like 5 something, and they still didn't have a room ready. They still didn't put us in the same building, and it was like a whole commotion just now. Like, we've been here since after 2, and the time is now, what time is it on the taxi?
4 minutes to 6.
4 minutes to 6, and we're just getting in our room. Like, that is not acceptable. Either way, the room is very beautiful. We love it. We're close to the beach as well, and close to like other activities. But I feel like they should have had these stuff ready for us. You know what I mean? Especially we've given them so much time to prepare it. Either way, we're in the room. It's beautiful, and we're gonna try and enjoy the rest of our stay. And let's see what this brings for us. Guys, look at how beautiful. You love it, Annie Tatsy?
Love it.
Yeah. What you think? Think sit, think shot.
From scrimmage days, from to the bar, still up off in the cool, I'm in the pocket.
Outfit of the day, guys. This is from Shein. And then this is from Fashion Nova. Where it come from? Where your outfit from, man? Where's your look from? It's from Paris. USA. Take picture. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see the fit. So guys, we're walking out to go get some dinner. I haven't even changed.
Definitely not. Yo, I hope I find my room.
You darky?
Listen.
From what? You feel?
But you have to walk through here to get to the restaurant. Which is what I was saying. This is what I was saying.
Yes, Daniel. Let me tell you one video, you know, video too. Some food.
That's what I mean.
You have the money to buy some.
You know, we communicate to our ancestors in Africa through drums with a music called.
There's a natural mystic flowing through the hill.
It's too piercing, man. It's too piercing. Well, I got to shout. No, man, it's too piercing. Like, I don't dig loud noises. Well, you ruined the whole piercing record. Is what you do. Yeah, well, tough. I'll take my bongos.
Let's go.
I'll be closing out the vlog now and continue the vlog tomorrow. So if you're new to my channel, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend about my channel, and I love you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I love you guys.